Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna Stashkina. I'm a wafer paper artist from stashkinacakes.com, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm getting ready to deliver this beauty. This is fondant cake with wafer paper flowers, and I wanted to show you what I have in my delivery kit that looks like this. We all need to have our emergency kits or delivery kits, so let's begin. First and the most important box I never leave my house without when I am going to deliver cakes or travel with my cakes is this Tupperware container with all my most important tools that I need to fix the cake if something goes wrong. First thing what I have here is a few clean bags just in case I need to take some trash with me or I have something, I spill something or place something, so clean bags. I have my palette just in case I need to paint something on the cake. A few pairs of gloves. I usually take something to poke my cake if I need to insert flowers, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, small scissors. I take pouch with cornstarch if I need to fix my cake. I have a bottle with alcohol in a dropper if I need to paint or fix something, and my mini steamer if I have any issues with my wafer paper flowers. Also, I have piping gel to attach wafer paper to my cakes. I have here sanitizing wipes and a few band-aids if something will go wrong. Also, I have this duster because you're not supposed to blow on your cakes, and if you have any issues, that's what I'm going to use to clean my cakes. Same, I have clean brush, my fluffy brush, to remove any dust or any cornstarch from my cake. I have candy or something usually with me. And for my tools, I have a few toothpicks. I have this wire cutters or flower cutters if I need to insert larger flowers in my cake. I have a variety of brushes, small spatula if I need to fix something, cutter, regular knife if I need to open a box or cut a scotch tape, a pen, a few cocktail straws to insert my wires into my cake, and basic tools like Dresden tool, bolt tool, and my favorite tweezers. So this goes into my box. You saw all my most important tools I take with me. Next category is the project specific category. Because my cake made out of fondant, I take with me a little bag with fondant with the same colors I used to make my cake. I have bas relief texture, so I will take my mold just in case something happened or I poke a hole and I need to fix it. And I have wafer paper flowers here on the cake, so I will take pre-cut wafer paper flowers. Usually when I transport my cakes I use CakeSafe, and sometimes when you need to cover the hole on the top for the road, or you just have small things you need to fix, having something like a bas relief mold or small wafer paper flowers, it will make your life much easier. I will take a few types of floral tape if I need to protect my wires or assemble more flowers. For the colors, I will take these two colors, this the pearl and forget-me-not, because these are the colors I used on my cake. And I will take a small bag with wafer paper just in case I need to cut something by hand and fix it. And that's my project specific category that I take, and it will differ with every cake you deliver. So for this, I'm having blue fondant, blue wafer paper flowers, and bas relief. That's what I have in my kit for this cake. And the last category that I take for every delivery is my equipment or my bigger tools, and you can see I keep them here. And here I have, first thing is my muslin cloth. So I usually bring it with me if I have a chance to take a photo. I put it somewhere on a table to have everything on brand and everything look cohesive for my personal use. I will take it back with me. I have a clean apron, a few clean towels if I need to wash my hands or go to a bathroom. And I have a cake stand because I'm renting out this cake stand with the cake. And I have it here, everything nice, clean and contained. In this larger container, I have other tools. What I have here, you can see I have my box with my tools and my most important tools. I have a roll of wax paper. Usually I take wax paper or parchment paper to put it on a table before assembling my cake. Just make sure, especially if you're placing your cake on a cloth covered table, it's just for the protection while I'm going to assemble everything. My most important tools. I have a few wires here. These are 30 gauge wire, and I have thicker wire on the other side if I need to add branches or put my flowers together. And I take this Spectrum Flow cleaning wipes for the cake. They are food safe and you can use them to clean your cake if something goes wrong. I have my level because when you are delivering your cakes and you're placing them on a table somewhere at the venue, make sure that the table is level because it will affect the look of your cake if your cake will look crooked a little bit. So having a level, this is just basic plastic level, and I check the table before placing my cake. I have a small bottle of cleaner that I use to clean, for example, the table if it's a little bit dusty, or to clean my cake stand. Just in case, I have this alcohol-based cleaner with me all the time. And I have a few larger tools. This is a heat gun. This is just a small heat gun if I need to fix my wafer paper very fast and I need to speed up the process of drying out. Just in case, I have this. I have my glue gun, for example, if I need to attach the ribbon, and especially if you're working with sugar flowers and your flower break, using a glue gun is the easiest way to fix your flowers if you're in a time rush. And I usually carry with me this masking tape because when I need to put things in the fridge or I need to leave a note for the catering company, I take a piece of masking tape and I write down every information I need, like the temperature or the time. And if you're working somewhere with a team and you need to mark the bottle of water you drink or your tools, that's what I have here. And the last things I take with me is my camera. I always make sure to take my own pictures just in case, because not all the photographers can take a picture of my cake the way I wanted to. And I have my business cards and my delivery information. That's it. Now you know what I have in my emergency delivery kit. I hope you learned something new and I hope you got inspired to add something to your delivery box. If you saw something that you never thought about putting in your delivery box, leave me a comment down below and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.